Say hi, John.
What's up, guys?
And here we are. Today we're with Austin and John. And we got Austin repairing a dent on a 2300 KTM. And what brand is this? Like
it's a part that we bought off of eBay.
okay. Oh, did you see here? Let me see the dent again. There's a dent. That's from a tree.
So Austin showing that one's the one you're going to put the air in.
Yeah, this is where you put the air in.
Okay.
And,
And how many pounds of pressure you put in?
We don't go over
Is it like 50?
Start at
Yeah.
like 50 to 60.
50 to 60.
It'll go to like 80.
Okay. So 50, 60 PSIs, and once we heat it with the torches, the air pressure will go up to about 80 PSI. So we're putting the other flange on the end of a exhaust here. We're going to cap that off. I don't know if you guys can see this on the GoPro, but it's pretty amazing how this is just coming out. So again, we'll look at the pressure. We're just right below 70 there, Austin. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Yeah.
Nice job, buddy.
I don't think the weld's going to come out.
That's
much
okay.
more.
But everything, this is pretty done in pretty good, guys. And Austin did a good job getting that out. Wow.
What's the pressure at?
Nice. The pressure's right about 70. As you guys see, look at this angle. Everything pretty much came out. I'd say there's just a little indentation in there, and that's it.
Yep, looks good.
Give a thumbs up there, buddy. Awesome job.